All right, now that you know a little bit about freelancing, we're going to talk about how to go about finding clients so that you can start making money right away. And so, in this next slide here, I'm going to go over several different websites that you can start using to find clients, and so you can start finding freelance clients. And in the next video following that, I'm going to take you through step by step how you can go about uh, actually using these various freelance websites. And you can actually start getting bids on projects in literally minutes from the time you take action. So in literally like an hour from now, a couple hours from now, you could have your profile set up and already could be bidding on projects that you can potentially win and start making some money as a freelancer. So these are some of the easiest, fastest ways to go out there because these are large websites that are already set up. So freelance websites are huge because they're huge websites. They've already are set up with the clients, and there's active people posting jobs, posting projects. There's business owners posting projects actively, and so there's other freelancers bidding. So they're very active websites. Great place to go to start finding freelance work. One website that you can go to is www.getafreelancer.com. Another great one that you can use is www.guru.com. Another fabulous site is www.elance.com, www.rentacoder.com, freelanceportfolios.com. That's kind of a site geared more towards writing freelancers, but it enables you to upload your own little portfolio, kind of like a MySpace portfolio or something of that nature. But you kind of upload your freelance projects, your portfolio, and website owners will go in there and determine if they want to bid on your project. iFreelance.com is another one. Great resource to use. It does charge a very small monthly fee of about $4 a month for the basic package, $9 a month for the other one, but you get really high quality jobs. So you do have to pay a little bit to market yourself there, but that is not the end of the world. So that's a great, not a bad fee to get yourself some exposure, get your business some potential new clients. Projectforhire.com, it's just another site you can go set up an account and you can start bidding on jobs. And then another fabulous one is odesk.com. And all these websites enable you to create an account. Some of them might charge you a very small fee. One thing also to keep in mind when you're bidding on these projects is that when you're winning these jobs, they will take some of these sites, especially the ones that allow you to set up free accounts. They will either limit you with the free account, so it's so you can't bid on as many projects, or the other restriction is they will take a percentage of what you make. So if you let's say you do a writing project for $100 and their fee is 5%, then you would actually only make $95 and you'd pay them the 5%. And in most cases that's well worth it. It is worth it to pay that fee because without using these websites you wouldn't have found that project anyhow. And some sites will even make you pay a small monthly fee. Like iFreelance.com makes you pay a small monthly fee, but they don't take any money, off each of your projects. So you can kind of figure, if you're only paying four or five to even if it's $9 a month, and you do $200 worth of work at 5% commission, you've already paid for the membership. So, so it kind of, you kind of weigh and measure that. But if you're getting started off, you don't have any money at all to invest, you could sign up with the sites that let you sign up for free. But just make sure you understand that there are fees involved, because that's how these websites earn their money. Because without, they make their money by taking a percentage of the profits. They're helping connect buyers and sellers, buyers of the services, and you're a seller of the service being a freelancer. And so it's very important that you keep that in mind. But these sites are fabulous because they already are established. They already have literally thousands of buyers. Especially some of these sites have thousands upon thousands of projects that you can just log in and start bidding on. So in the next video, I'm going to show you a couple of these freelance websites and actually get in there and show you how to set up these accounts and how to work these accounts. And then after that video, we're going to go into a couple more strategies for actually finding new clients that you can start making money with as a freelancer.